Welcome to this presentation, Leading by Example Sustainability in Museums. Hi, my name is Carlos Hernández. Did you know that museums come in different sizes and shapes? But what they all have in common is their mission to collect, care and preserve for their collection. It is that mission that makes them the right institutions to lead by example on the road toward a more sustainable future. What is sustainability? Sustainability refers to the goal of meeting the needs of the present without compromising future generations' ability to meet their own needs, basically making the best use of the resources available. And what can we do? One of the things that we can do is commit to the Green Museum Accord. The Green Museum Accord consists of 5 action steps. Number 1. Commit. Publicly declare your institution's commitment to environmental sustainability and stewardship. 2. Evaluate. Make environmental sustainability part of the institutional thought process on every major decision and project. 3. Implement. Make sustainable choices when selecting vendors, products, and processes. Reduce your museum's ecological footprint using best practices, measurable strategies, benchmarks, and targets. 4. Educate. Involve visitors, staff, colleagues, board members, vendors, and other stakeholders in active learning and discussion around environmental sustainability and sustainable museum practices. 5. Share. Advance the understanding of environmental issues in the museum community and inspire others to action by contributing actively to the professional dialogue and knowledge base. But did you know that the most important reason why museums need to lead by example is that museums are trusted? According to the American Alliance of Museums, the American public considers museums the most trustworthy source of information in America. Also, we should not forget that climate change is impacting people everywhere today, not in the distant future. It affects lives, communities, and national economies. Affordable, scalable solutions are being developed to promote more resilient economies, and museums can lead this movement in their communities.